Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 6 of the worksheet on chapter 4 for the intermediate algebra class. Objective, polynomial long division. Problem number 6, divide 12x cubed minus 2x square minus 4x minus 1 divided by 6x square plus 5x. Your answer should give the quotient and the remainder. So let's start off writing the 12x square minus 2x square, 12x cube minus 2x square, minus 4x minus 1, the first one in the parenthesis on top. Then we are going to divide that with 6x square, divide by 6x square plus 5x. So in this problem, the first step is to look at this one and this one. That is 12x cube divided by 6x square. So simplify that on the side. That will be 2x. So 2x on top. That's part of the quotient. Now what we need to do is to multiply 2x with every term by the divisor. Every term in the divisor. So 2x times 6x square. So 2x times 6x square. That is 12x cube. That goes right below 12x cube. Then 2x times 5x. That will be 10x square. That will be 10x square. So you are writing the terms right below the first row. Now we are going to subtract the second row from the first row. Whenever you subtract, you'll have to change the sign in every term on the second row. So plus will become minus, minus will become plus. In this case, both terms were plus. Now we are changing to minus. So 12x cube minus 12x cube, they get cancelled out. Minus 2x square minus 10x square, that becomes minus 12x square. Just like ordinary division, we are going to bring in the negative 4x from top. Now, we are going to do the same process as we did before. So take the first term over here and first term over here and divide one by the other. So it is negative 12x square divided by 6x square. That will be negative 2. So negative 2 goes on top. Now you multiply negative 2 with every one of the terms in the divisor. Negative 2 times 6x square. That will be a negative 12x square. So that goes right below negative 12x square. Then negative 2 times 5x. Negative 2 times 5x, that will be a negative 10x, that goes right below the x term. So every time we have to subtract the second row from the first row. So change the sign for throughout the second row. So negative will become positive. Negative will become positive. So negative 12x square, positive 12x square, when you add, they cancel out. Then you get here negative 4x, positive 10x. So that will be a 6x. Now you need to bring the negative 1 down. So now you notice that, how do we know that we have finished the division? So if you get a term here or an expression in the remainder which is 1 degree less than the divisor, that means we are done. So the expression 6x minus 1 is linear because it's degree 1. 6x square plus 5x is of degree 2. So we have completed the division process. The one that you have on top is called the quotient. The one that you have here is the remainder. So quotient is 2x minus 2. the remainder is 6x minus 1. So if you just have to remember this process, so if you take, let's say, if we want to divide 243 divided by, let's say, 2, so what we do is 243 divided by 2. So first we find out how many times 2 goes into 2, so it is 1. Then we multiply 1 times 2, 2. Then we bring in the next one down, 4. Then we see how many times 2 goes into 4. So we write that 2 times 2, 4. And then we bring in the expression 3. Then we see how many times 2 goes into 3, that is 1. Then we do 1 times 2. Then if you notice, every time we subtract 3 minus 2, that is 1. And this is the remainder, and this is the quotient. So we can write 243 over 2 as 121, then remainder on top, and then divisor. So we can write like that. Or we can also write 121 plus 1/2. So it is quotient plus remainder over the divisor. The same principle here. So the one on top is the quotient. The one at the bottom is the remainder. How do we know we have completed the division process? Anytime you get an expression that is smaller or 1 degree less than the expression that you divide with, then we know that the division process is completed. Hope this video helps.